Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to apply filters to narrow down your search on the Gomez application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Then you should tap on either the start button or the shop button down below. Then select a category, a subcategory, and then click on this filter button in the upper right corner of the screen. Then you should sort by these options: price ascending, price descending, sales sort, and so on. Then you can select categories, tap on the relevant ones and click on apply. You can also narrow down your search by searching for brands, then click on the apply button. You can also set your size, the color, the fit can be selected, design, and the price range on this slide. If you are done with adding all these features, click on the show result button down below, and here you can find the available products according to your preferences. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.